Welcome, this is Rozani. Let's make a horn for your horn of plenty. Let's get started. Create a horn shape for your horn of plenty by following these instructions. You can use newspaper or plastic bags or both. Once your papier mâché horn has dried, you can stylize it however you like. I really enjoy adding texture to my horn of plenty, and I have a workshop ongoing right now. These workshops are something that I've really been looking forward to this holiday season. Use your horn of plenty for Thanksgiving or for Christmas centerpieces. This workshop is all-in-one year-round, with access to other workshops as well as events, all within a private group setting. And if you can't make the event, you'll still have access to the private group. I have more information in the description, so please check that out when you get a chance. I appreciate that you joined me here on my channel, and I always look forward to your comments and questions, because they let me know that you are interested in what I'm doing, and I am so thankful for that and for you. And to those of you in the United States, I wish you a happy and safe Thanksgiving. So bye for now, and I'll see you next time.